So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arshwal, working at Lexis and Company Law Firm as a junior associate. So today in this video I am going to discuss our Law Minister of India or Union Law Minister of India Kiren Rijiju's recent statement. We all know India is a diverse country and India has the most diverse democracy as well, which is hard to handle for any country, but India is still existing and the system is being handled by many bureaucrats, judiciary, whether it's judiciary, legislative and other parts of the system. So regarding that, we all know that the central government is the BJP government, which is being formed in 2014, came into power in 14 after long back years, long wait of years. So the Kiren Rijiju, he said that criticism of government is not anti-India. Basically, there is a perception in the society which is being basically created by the people or a group of people who are not supportive of the current government, current ruling government. So that to clarify this, he clearly said that criticism of government or BJP government of any government is not anti-India at all. And he also said that over 300 over 300 lawyers from the Supreme Court and various high courts have issued a statement condemning the comment of Union Law Minister Kiren Rijiju that some retired judges belong to anti-India gang. Basically, to this he replied, Kiren Rijiju replied this. What is your opinion regarding it, and what do you think regarding this? Let me know in the comment section. Till then, bye bye. Take care.